found a new way you can make money online without stressing. I'm going to show you the platform that you're going to use to make this money. This is how you're going to make money online without investing even $1 of your own money. With pixels.com and with Pixabay, you're going to make money by getting videos from those two platforms. And I'm going to show you another platform that you're going to use those videos on to make money online. Now, this format is a very easy to navigate format that anybody at home can use it to make money online. So just come with me and I will take you step by step and show you how this platform will work for you to start making money online. Is you go to a platform that is called Pixels or Pixabay and download a video that you're going to use. This is pixels.com. You either use pixels.com or use Pixabay.com. Now, what we want to do here is we're going to download a video of somebody working on the laptop, on the computer. Sign up to the platform. Click on where it says photos. You change it to videos. Okay, so under search for free videos, just select on that and search someone using a laptop. So you click on search. So all the videos, you can see all the videos of people using the laptop will show up. Now you go through the videos and select the particular one that you want. And I'll click on download. So when you click on download, the video will be downloaded to your system. Now leave the video there and we're gonna come back to that. Remember, you either use Pixels or you use Pixabay to get a free download. They are free to download. You will not have any strike that you're using someone else's video. No. Now, having our video in hand, the next step is we're going to take this video to another platform. Remember, what we want to do is for you to make money by people reading emails. You can do it yourself, but the very quickest way is I'm showing you how somebody else can read the emails for you and you make the money. This is the easiest way that I'm showing you in this video. Okay guys, so this is the platform for Volutic.com. When you sign in, after you have signed up to the platform, this is how it looks. Now home, money, referrals, direct, indirect. So links and tools, people, statistics. So if we click on referrals, I want to show you where your referral is. You can see here, copy. Where it says copy, this is my referral link. If I copy this link, now I'm going to take this link to another platform that I'm going to show you where you can use this link to get people to click on it. I'm also going to tell you how you can make people to click on this particular link and how you can promote this referral link so that when people click on it and get to Volutic.com and get registered, you will get paid. This is how simple and easy this platform is. If you click on where it says direct referrals, tell others about their service and earn even more. This is what this direct referral is. Just copy the link and then we head over to another platform that I'm going to show you now, that you can use that link to get people to sign up to their platform and you get paid money. And let me quickly say that this Volutic.com is a very legit platform that people are using to make money online by reading just emails. And the emails you're going to read will be promotional emails. Like I said, they have companies that send them their promotional emails for them to read. Now, what they will do is they will send those emails to you, and those companies pays them, and you split the money with Volutic. You get 90% of what the companies will pay Volutic, and Volutic on the other hand will take 10% of the money. So like every side hustle there, this is not gonna make you a millionaire, but it is actually a solid money that you're gonna have in your pocket because they pay instantly to any payout option of your choice. Like I said, signing up to this platform is super easy. All you need, you click where I have shown you to sign up and you sign up to the platform. So easy to navigate. It's something that anybody can do anywhere you are. Now remember, the more emails you read, the more money you make, and the more you share your referral link, the more people will use your link and sign up, and the more they sign up, the more money you stand to make. There are 3 tips I'm going to give you when it comes to Volutic. Make sure you check your emails regularly because they will be sending you emails. And secondly, make sure you use your referral link to refer people, friends, family, and online community. The last tip I'm going to give you on how to scale this very fast is you have to actually stay consistent. This is not something that probably you read one email today, in the next 1 month you haven't read another email. No, consistency is the key here. You regularly check your email. As the email keep coming, you just read them. Make sure you stay the number of minutes or seconds they want you to spend on each email, and that is the way you get the money. The next platform is where you are going to use your referral link to get people to go to Volutic and sign up. I'm gonna take you straight and show you that on my screen now. Now guys, the next platform that I want to show you is a platform that is called Imgur.com. Imgur.com is a platform where people go there and make posts. You drive traffic from there. Remember the video we saved of somebody using the laptop, somebody working on the computer? Now go to Imgur.com. This is how the platform looks like, as you can see here. Now you click on where it says sign up, and then you sign up to the platform. Now when you sign up, you upload that particular video of somebody using the laptop, somebody working on the computer. Now when you upload it, you're gonna add a post like ways to make money online by reading email. Now when you add the post, in the description of that particular post, add your referral link that you copied from Volutic.com. Now when you add it and somebody watches that video of someone using the internet working, and they see the link that you have posted, they click on the link, it takes them straight to Volutic.com. Now on the platform of Volutic.com, they're going to sign up. The moment they sign up to Volutic, you get paid because they signed up through your referral link. Now this is the beautiful thing about this way of making money online. Just a stress-free method. Imgur allows as many posts as you can see here. There are so many posts here that people had made. So just that's it. That's how to do it. If you sign up, then click on where it says sign in, then you sign into the platform and you start posting and start making money by referring people to Volutic. They read email, you get paid. So if I hope this video you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the bell notification. I think you might want to watch the next video up there. And I hope to see you in my next. Thank you.